Microfiber cloths may not seem like much more than your average rag, but they're incredibly efficient cleaning tools that can pick up dirt, dust, and moisture more effectively than traditional cleaning cloths and paper towels. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best top 3 microfiber cleaning cloths. We'll compare the best microfiber cleaning cloths on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. The MR.SIGA microfiber cleaning cloths are an excellent addition to any home or workspace, offering a superior cleaning experience with ultra-soft, scratch-free material that's safe on delicate surfaces like glass, kitchenware, and car interiors. These cloths are highly absorbent and lint-free, soaking up spills quickly without leaving streaks or residue. Whether you use them dry or wet, they tackle everything from dusty mirrors to greasy stovetops with ease. Perfect for multi-purpose cleaning, they double as dish rags, polishers, and dusters, effortlessly lifting grease, fingerprints, and grime from pots, plates, and glass surfaces. The durable construction with reinforced edges ensures each cloth can handle hundreds of wash cycles without losing effectiveness. Their lightweight design and generous 12.6 x 12.6 inch size make cleaning faster and more efficient. Packaged in a set of 12, they provide incredible value and convenience for daily household or office cleaning tasks. A must-have for eco-conscious, efficient cleaning. Number 2. eCloth Window Cleaner Kit. The eCloth Window Cleaner Kit is a game-changer for anyone looking to achieve streak-free windows using just water. No harsh chemicals or sprays needed. This eco-friendly kit includes 2 specialized cloths designed to work in tandem, a waffle weave window cloth to lift away dirt, grease, and grime, and a smooth glass and polishing cloth to finish the job with a crystal-clear, streak-free shine. The microfiber material uses wedge-shaped fibers to trap microscopic particles, making it highly effective on glass, mirrors, car windows, and more. With its simple 2-step process, this kit delivers spotless results quickly and effortlessly. Plus, it's reusable and machine washable up to 100 times, helping you save money and reduce paper towel waste. Whether you're cleaning kitchen glass, bathroom mirrors, or car windshields, the eCloth Window Cleaner Kit offers a non-toxic, sustainable solution that's tough on grime yet gentle on the environment. A smart choice for eco-conscious, efficient cleaning. Number 3. Weiman Microfiber Cloth for Stainless Steel. The Weiman Microfiber Cloth for Stainless Steel is a top-tier cleaning tool designed specifically for delicate stainless steel surfaces. Made from a blend of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide, this dual-sided cloth offers the perfect combination of functionality and protection. One side is ideal for cleaning off smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and grime, while the other side polishes and buffs surfaces to a brilliant, streak-free shine. Its ultra-soft microfibers are gentle yet effective, safely trapping dust and oils without scratching your stainless steel appliances. Whether you're maintaining the sleek look of refrigerators, ovens, sinks, range hoods, or backsplashes, this cloth delivers professional-grade results at home. It pairs perfectly with Weiman's stainless steel sprays, wipes, and aerosols for an enhanced finish. Durable and reusable, this USA-made microfiber cloth is an essential accessory for anyone who values a spotless, polished kitchen. It's a simple, effective, and scratch-safe solution for your stainless steel cleaning needs. Thanks for watching the video.